An update on this little Hourglass board. I've reprogrammed it now, so that's mimicking the original pattern, and I think I've made it multiplex better than it did originally, because sometimes you could see some of the LEDs that shouldn't be lit, but so I've multiplexed it a bit better. I've also improved the debouncing on the button, so there's slow, medium, fast, faster. I've made it so that every time you select a new speed, it restarts from the beginning of the pattern with the top of the hourglass form. There's a even faster one, and then we've got this one, which is just lighting all the LEDs in turn, and that one's doing the same but in the opposite direction. And then we've got that sort of Night Rider style kit thing. Anyone remember that? That's just sort of going around the two triangles, top and bottom. That one's filling it up from the bottom to the top, and then emptying it from the bottom to the top. And this is the same, but from the top to the bottom. That's a sort of slight variation on the Night Rider thing, where you can see some of the end LEDs stay lit for longer, and it takes a couple of cycles for them to reset. Around the triangle, it's just to go around once to fill it in and once to erase it. Once that sort of bottom to the top, top to the bottom, sort of bouncing, filling up from the bottom and then emptying from the bottom, filling up from the top, emptying from the top. And that's another sort of I don't know what you call it, sort of bounce pattern. And we've got this sort of this is the slowest of the standard type patterns. And I think we're back to the start now. So that's the sort of standard one. Fast, faster, very fast. There we go. There's room actually for quite a few more patterns. The memory's about half full at the moment, but that is this is using the 204 version of the chip that's got I believe that's what comes with these surface mount kits. If you've got the sort with the plug-in dual inline chip, they come with a 201, which has only got 1K of flash, and it wouldn't hold all these patterns. You could still I'll put a cut down version that will fit in a ST15W 201. It's just got a few patterns, and I say there's room for a lot more on this one, but I got fed up with doing new ones. I'll put the code on the on my website. Once I've uploaded it, I'll edit the description of this video to have a link to it if you want to download the code and have a go at programming some new patterns yourself. This isn't using the EEPROM at all. This is just using the flash memory and writing a bit of code for each pattern. Okay, thanks for watching.